Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today we've protected this 2022 Range Rover with a Starline Pro. So with the customer's phone in the vehicle, nothing changes. They hop in, start up as they would. They'll hear a melody because their phone's in range and the vehicle can be driven. If the customer's phone's not here, so it's out of range, someone's done a relay attack, tried to clone the key or stole the key in any way, they hop in, try and steal the vehicle. It will start up. As soon as they go to select a gear to drive away, you'll see it switches off. There you go. Thief can't drive away with it. In the event where it is the customer and their phone's gone flat one day while they're out, there's a push sequence that they can set between 3 and 21 presses. And the way they use that is first start the vehicle up, then put their code in. We've left it simple for the video. 1, 2, 3. Receive our disarm tone and they can drive it. This code can be anything between 3 and 21 presses in a combination of their choosing on supported buttons. And the way they change it is first they have to turn the ignition on and disarm the system. As it's been within 10 seconds, it's automatically disarmed. If not, they have to put their code in or present their phone. Now with the system disarmed and the engine not running, press any button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition off and back on. We'll get 5 bleeps. Now it's ready to learn a code. So we'll just change it to front, back, front. We'll get a confirmation. We'll just have to repeat that again. We should get the same confirmation. Now we've put that code in twice. There we go, so ignition off. That code's now changed. So now if their phone was dead, the process would be ignition up, well, start the vehicle, pop the new code in that we've just set, receive their melody, and then they can select the gear and drive away. If the customer wants to take this back to Range Rover to get serviced, they want to put it into service mode. And the way you do that, with your phone in range, hop into the Starline Key app when your phone's connected, press and hold on here, the green circle will spin round and go to yellow. When it does, let go and we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. When you get it back from them, you won't want it on, you'll obviously want it protected with your code and your phone. So all you got to do is the same thing in reverse, press and hold from yellow back to green, let go and we get 2 bleeps. For instances where you don't have your phone and you want to do this process manually, putting it in and out of service mode, the way it's done is first ignition on and disarm the system to prove that it's you. So we'll put our new code in that we just changed. So front, back, front was our code. Receive our melody. Now we'll press any button 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll turn the ignition off, back on, we'll get our 2 valet mode bleeps. There we go. So now this is a normal car. So as I said, valet mode means no phone, no code. It's just a normal vehicle. There's no immobiliser fitted. And that's how you activate it with the buttons if you're not using the phone. When you get it back, to take it out, it's as simple as ignition on, pop your code in, and you get 2 bleeps. There we go. Now it's out of valet mode. So after 10 seconds, this automatically arms. So usually by the time you've hopped out the vehicle, locked it, the system will be ready. So if someone was to come and attack it moments after, it will start up, as we showed, select a gear to drive off, the car dies. If you want to get one of these fitted, we're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Pro system on a 2022 Range Rover. To book this in, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.